Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now guys, remember the last episode prior to this one, Unjengaye had the paternity test and or the DNA test, and you wanted Unomfundo to read them. So this episode actually starts off there. So Unomfundo petty paper, and then she reads 99.9%. Unjengaye is up on his feet, he's like, yo, wow, hayi kusho ukuthi ukwenza-ke hayi vele wami. So what I caught from that, you guys, because they did not clarify it, it looks like the first results that they read was Uvusi's results, which was 99.9%. Kusho ukuthi Unjengaye is Uvusi's father, or Uvusi is Unjengaye's son. And now ke bayofunda ama-results akwenzo, and hence Unjengaye saying ukuthi hayi ke vele ukwenzo one. Unomfundo says hayi wenze uhle Dlamini vele ke. So she reads the paper again. She's like, wenze uhle Dlamini. The alleged father is excluded as the biological As she's saying that, Unjengaye just grabs a paper from her hand and he reads it for himself. He is so shocked, you guys. Unomfundo, the only thing she could say is that I'm so sorry. Unjengaye, he looks like he's about to faint. So it looks like, guys, Ukwenzo is not his son and Uvusi is. I'm just like, why they not that selling us to lana? But it looks like that. If that's the case, guys, that is a real plot twist. Next scene uVelephi ke usemsebenzini, and one of her workers, angithi uVelephi, she's got a cleaning company, and one of her friends, uInnocentia, works for their cleaning company. So uVelephi usemsebenzini there by the factory, and one of her workers, uInnocentia, comes and pays her a visit. So uNosentia uzama ukutshela uVelephi ukuthi futhi nje like lingiphathe kabuhlungu lela client, bengingazi ukuthi ngithini nje. uVelephi is like, hayi bo kahle, oh usho. uInnocentia then says, ngingawaqambelani namanga ngempela, oh ngingawaqambelani ngamanga. uVelephi is like, hayi Innocentia, oh ngiyacabanga ukuthi uya overreacta nje, ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe i-client belizijabulele nje, wena ke wasuya overreacta ke, mhlambe ke lijatshulise umsebenzi wakho omuhle ke. uInnocentia is like, hey, awusho ke wena siyazi if bekajabulile kungani enganikezanga i-tip or i-compensation if bekajabulile ngomsebenzi wami. uVelephi is like, how? Oh, angithi vele uyazi as abantu asifani emhlabeni. Abanye abantu abayingeni nje indaba yokuthipha stano nje. uInnocentia goes on to say, hayi cha Velephi, ngithe mengifika nje laphayana emsebenzini, mengifika i-client laba right, when I said kwi-client ukuthi bengicela ukuthi linginikeze ispace ukuze ngizokwazi ukwenza umsebenzi wami, hayi bo uye wangilalela nje nowabhuti wakhona. He kept coming to me ezisondeza ezama ukungithinta, angazi nje ukuthi ngivike kangakhi. uVelephi is like, hayi, oh angiyizwa kahle le ndaba yakho, awuyenze nje yenza isense. uInnocentia then says, weVelephi awuvuke emaqandeni, awuboni wena ukuthi le yiketi esizigqokayo ukuthi zimfishane kanjani? Yazi abantu bacabanga ukuthi siyadayisa. uVelephi is like, relaxa, like relaxa indaba manje. uInnocentia says, lezi yiketi are the ones that are luring in men. They are giving men the wrong impression. uVelephi is like, hayibo, uniform nena akuyona ingubo yokugqoka emgruveni. Futhi ke wena ke you seem to be losing focus. Focusa Innocentia. Khumbula umthetho wokuqala. Uyawukhumbula ngathini mina? I-client alidelelwa liyahlonishwa. Uveza nje izinyo wenza umsebenzi wakhe ufocuse. At this point uInnocentia, she's irritated because uVelephi is refusing to hear anything that uInnocentia is saying. uInnocentia goes on to say ukuthi weVelephi, uyazizwa kodwa lento oyishoyo? Uke wangizwa nje ukuthi ngithini mina? uVelephi is like, kahle phela, musa ubanga umsindo, ufuna abantu abangena lana ukuthi bacabange. As she's speaking like that to Innocentia is like, Velephi anginandaba ukuthi abantu bacabangani, anginandaba. Velephi uyayizwa lento engiyishoyo kodwa yini yindaba, awunandaba ngithi. ngoba uyazi ukuthi wena usithathiso wezilezi zakho nje. Gijima uye lena, hamba ushone lena. Awunandaba ukuthi lento engishoyo how important is it to me. Uvulephi is like, uyahola ngithi. Uinnocentra just gets up and she leaves. Uvulephi just says that dad ngazingasha. The scene ends like that. Guys, I've been having suspicions ukuthi lama client akaVelephi. The majority of them, it looks like they are hiring these ladies for the wrong reasons. Hayi ukuthi azocleaner, and I am afraid ukuthi something's gonna happen to these ladies. I'm disappointed in uVelephi, the fact that she's not taking this serious, because uVelephi has some sort of experience in this, you guys. In last season, did she not have some guy that took her to the hotel and wanted to do things to her by force? So why wouldn't she believe when Essentia is telling her that? Ngenxa yokuthi yahola. Hayi guys. Anyway, next scene uThuli, uMamVibe noNeli bahlele kitchen labo. uThulisile-ke niyamazi, she always has a plan for something or a new business plan or something like that. So uqaqala la abanye, uThulisile uqaqala uMamVibe noNeli. uThulisile is like, yazi thina mele senzeni? Mele sithathe omakhelwane bethu sibalethe lana senze sure ukuthi bayajoyina nabo-ke ukuze bazokwanda abantu. Bona-ke bese baletha izihlobo zabo, abangani babo, bese kwanda abantu abagembulayo-ke. uMavis is like, wemathuli, uyazizwa ukuthi uthini? Why udumi kangaka? Ucabanga ukuthi lo mdlalo lo awunangozi? uThulisile then says, hawu vele MamV abunangozi. uMamV is like, hayi bo, sikhuluma ngempilo zabantu lana. Abantu bayathanda ukugembula Thuli. Bazogembula, then they get addicted. Umuntu afaka imali yakhe yonke, acabanga ukuthi uzowine, aqeda angawini. uThulisile then says, kodwa MamV, usuyayibaxa-ke manje. It's not like mina bengizovula i-casino and stuffs. And then uMamViza, kodwa lento ayenzayo iyafana nento eyenziwa eCasino ngoba umdlali mengabe efaka imali yakhe ufuna ukuhlula abantu abaningi ukuze awine. That's what happens. uThuli is like, kodwa MamV angicabanganga kanjalo. Usis Mavis then says, ena vele awucabangi, angichazele lana-ke. Mokufika umuntu ohluliwe and lost everything, uyafika la kwaDlamini sekafuna imali yakhe, uyophindula uthini? Uyochaza uthini ebantwini bakwaDlamini? uThuli then says, hawu MamV, mawucabanga ingenzeka into enjalo ingafika lapho. uMamV is like, inkosi isisize nje ukuthi ingafiki lapho. Ngicela nje siyivale sisi, asiyivale ntombo, ingabi saqhubeka nje, vala lento, hayisuka. And she gets up and she leaves like that. Ayi Cam, next scene guys, uNjengaye usekhaya usendlini benophetheni. All we see is uNjengaye going to open the door. Mekevula umnyango ungenisa uLokhuzana, ubaba uVuma benoSamke. So kusho ukuthi ubaba uVuma benoSamke are coming to pay uNjengaye a visit. Now on yesterday's episode, uLokhuzana, while uVuma was at his house at Opo, he received a letter. He got a letter, and the letter was coming from the Dlamini family, stating their intentions, ukuthi they want to have a meeting with the Mbambo family pertaining Usibongile's lobola negotiations. Remember, uKwenzo did ask his family to help him with that. So ingathi uVuma was worried about something, so I guess maybe he's coming to iron things out njengoba elana. So uNjengaye is welcoming them in, ubahlalisa phansi, abatsheleke ukuthi namkelile la ekhaya koDlamini. And then uVuma's like, siyabonga sibalukhulu. uNjengaye is like, yeah, angaze mhlambi nize ngaluphi udaba, mhlambe kukhona la ngingasiza khona. uVuma then says ukuthi hayi, akuwona umhlangano omhlambe osemthethweni, kodwa-ke sithe ukuthi asisondele, sihlanganise amehlo, sixoxe nje ngokuthile, uyabona. That time, as uVuma speaking, uphetheni unyanyeni ebusweni. She looks so irritated, guys. She's looking at uSamke. Obviously, we know ukuthi kune beef between uSamke and uphetheni. uVuma goes on to say ukuthi ngiyazi-ke ngokwesiko lethu, it's unheard of ukuthi sihlangane kanje before proper negotiations. Kodwa-ke ngibonile ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi ngisondele. Khona izinto bengifisa ukuthi sidlule kuzona before we can conclude things traditionally. Unjengaye then says, hayi ngiyakuzwa. Asike sizwe-ke ukuthi nifike ngani. Uma goes on to say ukuthi zimbili izinto ezingisuse ekhaya. Leyo qala yisiqiniseko sokuthi umntwana nizomphatha kahle, nizomphathisa okweqanda, nimphathe engathi owenu. And then-ke okwesibili yukuthi nje ninginikeze isiqiniseko sokuthi ngeke nimkhiphe esikolweni. Umntanami abe one of those makotis okuthiwa ukuthi akagade umuzi ngoba ingane yami nje yazalelwa izinto ezinkulu futhi-ke inamaphupho amakhulu. Bengifisa la iyokwendela khona that you don't force her to fulfill her education kuthiwe ayigade umuzi. Uphethen is like ilokho kuphela. That time she sang it with attitude. But you can see unjengaye, he's a bit, embarrassed by that because there they are. Angithi, when people get lobola, guys, bazama ukwakha ubudlelwane. So you can't just be rude like that. Unjengaye is like, Vuma, hayi cha, ngiyakuzwa, uyayibeka. Bengifuna ukusho kodwa-ke, ukuthi ayikho into engithanda uyibona udlula uthando lukakwenzo ethanda ngayo uSibongile noSibongile naye ngokunjalo. Uyabona Vuma, uKwenzo ukhulise yimina. Kamkhulisa waba yindoda le engiyifunayo le engifuna abe yiyona. Indoda eqotho, indoda ekhaliphile, indoda enothando. Okuhle-ke yukuthi vele-ke I see the same thing kwindodakazi yakho-ke. UVuma then says, wangikhulula ukuba uyazi ukuthi ungilaphile Dlamini ngoba ibingihlupha le ndaba. Siyathemba-ke ukuthi amazwi akho aseyofuza izenzo. And then unjengaye then says, hayi kanti-ke kunjalo nsizwa yakithi, kunjalo impela. Uyazi Vuma, mina nawe kahle kahle sisephejini elilodwa. Sikholela ezintweni zesintu, yinto enhle-ke leyo. UVuma then says ngiyathokoza kakhulu mengibona ingathi siyahambisana futhi sibheke ephejini elilodwa mina nawe. Hayi bokuyilokho-ke bosibalukhulu, bokuyilokho kuphela. And then unjengaye then says, hayi cha kuhle-ke. He looks at uPhetheni like to say, Phetheni, this is your cue to say something, or uphakame wenze something. uPhetheni just looks at him and she looks away. Unjengaye just proceeds and he goes on to say, hayi ke mina-ke njengoDlamini ngithi nje ake nginiphakamele nje, nginitende, ngininikeze nojuice. And I'm just like, uPhetheni is sitting there. She was supposed to, when Unjengaye was done speaking and she could see the conversation had concluded, she was supposed to get up about the end. But she's sitting there like to show them intentionally ukuthi she is not keen on this relationship. Anyway, next scene, uVelephi usekitchen, uVuma use-lounge. As they are sitting, or as uVelephi is busy in the kitchen, ungene ubaba uNtombela. Ungenela ngasekitchen, umnyango wasekitchen. So mekangena, he's like, uphi ubaba wakho wena, uphi ubaba wakho? And then uVelephi then says ukuthi ungalena. uNtombela proceeds to go to the lounge. uNtombela goes on to say, Phuma, mele sikhulume ngosangweni. uVuma's like, hayi bo, kukhulunywani-ke manje? uNtombela's like, yeyi, fanele uyise leya ngane e-Stoat School. uVuma's like, hayi, yehlisa umoya mahlobo. Uyangena nje, yona nto oyishoyo ngumntana wami. uNtombela then says, uyanuka lo muntu, ngathi akagezanga nje unyaka wonke man. Bephethe insimbi, eshaya insimbi, wathi ebantwini laphayana eMbalenhle ukuthi abaphume ngoba ukudla kwaseMbalenhle ugcwele amagundwane namaphela. Now earlier on guys, uSangweni did do that. He got eMbalenhle. This is day 2 besides what he did yesterday. You got there eMbalenhle, waxosha abantu, watshela abantu ukuthi they must no longer eat eMbalenhle because ukudla kwakhona kunamagundwane and amaphela or something like that. while uNtombela was there. So uNtombela tried to fight uSangweni. Was holding uNtombela ngamawashingi up until uSipho came and uSipho pushed uSangweni out. So uVuma's like, hayi bo. uNtombela zakho uzomele umuse nomuntu umise e-Stout School. uVuma's like, eshaya insimbi. As Uvuma saying that, Uvelephi comes into the kitchen and into the lounge, and she's like, Baba, kuzomela ngihambe ngiye eThekwini kusasa. As she's saying that, uNokuzana uSangweni uyanyonyoba uyangena ngomnyango, he's sneaking in. So what I saw, kusho ukuthi uVelephi was trying to cover up for uSangweni, because vele, if she did not distract them, they were going to see ukuthi uyangena uSangweni. So she was trying to distract them so uSangweni angene kahle endlini. uVelephi goes on to say ukuthi sithole igigi laphayana ye-cleaning okumele ukuthi ngiyoyibheka. Kodwa hayi baba khululeka. As she's speaking like that, next thing we just hear amantombazana ehayiza, guys screaming there. Remember kunamachichi kwikamera leli elinye. Next thing amachichi are coming out of the camera, they are screaming. uVuma gets up, he's like, hayi bo, yini yindaba? uSibongile then says, baba uSangweni usijijela ngama-cricket. And then uVuma's like, Sangweni, where's Sangweni? That time when he's screaming for uSangweni phumiyani ngomnyango, he went out of the door. uVuma's left there saying, kodwa nkulunkulu wami. I'm just like, uSangweni is out of hand. And the fact that uVelephi keeps covering up for him, disgusting. Hi, next scene uNomfundo, she's by her house, she's calling uSamke, so she's on the phone there, she's like, hello Samke, uthe kunento ofuna ukungitshela yona. And then uSamke is like, uNomfundo's like, hawu khuluma Samke, kwenzenjani? uSamke is like, ukuthi nje angifuni ukucasula. uNomfundo's like, hawu bakithi, yabona mina yimina umuntu okwaziyo ukudilisha nokucasuka. Khuluma, anginankinga, ngilalele. uSamke then says, ngibe nephupho lana. In fact, belingonjengaye. uNomfundo's like, okay, ebenzani? uSamke is like, bekaboshiwe, eboshiwe nje, umbona ukuthi uxakekile ukubi. uNomfundo's like, eboshiwe kanjani? Njengesipila. And then uSamke says, yebo, njengesipila. Ukubona mhlambe like emafilimini umuntu aboshwe ngama-chain, izandla, the ankles, the waist, nasemqanyeni, izinto ezinjalo nje. uNomfundo's like, okay, and then ebesenza njani? Ebenzani nje unjengaye ephupheni? uSamke goes on to say ukuthi ebehleli nje inhliziyo yakho uyibona ukuthi ibhlungu nje, ubona nje ukuthi like uphelelwe. uNomfundo's like, how? And then kwenzakalani? uSamke goes on to say, Nomfundo, into ngiyibonile when I was kwaDlamini. uNomfundo's like, uboneni? uSamke's like, yonke lento engithi ngiyibone ephupheni ngiyibone laphayana when I went there. uNomfundo's like, ubona unjengaye eboshwe ngama-chain? uSamke then says, cha Nomfundo, ebengaboshwanga ngama-chain. Kodwa nje ububona ukuthi njengoba nje ehleli laphayana uhleli kodwa ubuhlungu. Yazi umbona ukuthi like usekhathele ngisho like umoya wakhe. Uyabubona ukuthandana bukaKwento beNosibongile. Uyabona nje ukuthi laba abantu aboyi-2 badalelene, right? Unjengaye noPhetheni, hayi ayikho leyanto. uNomfundo's like, how? Ubucabanga ukuthi that is the thing ezongiphatha kabi? Hayi bo, mina ngiyakwazi lokho okushoyo, and I've known it for years. That time, guys, lelo phupho, it seems like uSamke, she was just making up lelo phupho all along. uSamke's like, okay, ngoba uyazi and you've known for iminyaka, like why uhleli Nomfundo? Ufuna ungitshela ukuthi uzokhotha izandla zakho wena ubheke nje. Mina nawe siyazi ukuthi umshado kanjengayo noPhetheni wakhelwe phezu kwamanga. Yinto nje engadilika noma yinini leyana. And then uNomfundo says, Samke, ngiyazi. uSamke's like, manje mawazi, like hayibo Nomfundo lalela. wena ufuna ungitshela ukuthi u-right ngokuba sistayela sikaphethe nonjengaye. Unomfundo like, ayi angazi. USamkez like, mina ngiyazi-ke. Wena into okumele ukuthi uyenze is mele uyithathe, ungalindi. Unomfundo like, kanjani kodwa? And then uSamkez like, hamba olanda indoda yakho wena, yilande. Ukashuke nje ama-chain uphetheni amfake wona kanjalo nje. The scene ends like that. Yeah, guys, uSamke is so mischievous. I really thought ukuthi Nomfundo was over uNjengaya. I'm surprised ukuthi she's still here entertaining such talks. All along, I was busy saying ukuthi Umxolisi was overreacting. After this conversation, I get it. Umxolisi really was seeing through her and he was not overreacting. Uzizile nje ukuthi waphuma kuNomfundo. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.